Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the exciting world of AI to show you how to create your very own avatar. Avatars are a fantastic way to add a personal touch to your online presence. So, if you're ready to stand out and express yourself, let's get started. The first step in creating your AI-generated avatar is to decide on your preferred style. Do you want a realistic avatar, a cartoonish one, or something completely unique? The style you choose will determine the overall look and feel of your avatar. For this, you can use an amazing free website, which is Leonardo.ai. Say goodbye to traditional paper and hello to limitless digital sketching possibilities. Leonardo.ai's intuitive interface brings your ideas to life with ease. If you don't have an account, just click on Start Using Leonardo. Click on Yes, I'm whitelisted. As you can see, there are many amazing feature models that will give your avatar some realistic features. Select any of the feature models. Let's say I was created using 3D animation style. Click on Generate with this model. Just write your prompt about how you want your avatar to look like. Let's say I want an avatar having light brown hair, blue eyes with sky blue hoodie, white t-shirt inside, sitting on the desk smiling men. And let's see how our avatar looks like. Wow, seems a handsome guy. Click on the image and download it. So now you have an avatar created for you. Let's give him a voice. It's really easy. Just go to the 11 Labs website and create an account. Then you can choose from a variety of voices to use for your videos. Once you've chosen a voice, you can start typing your script. We will use some random script from ChatGPT, and 11 Labs will automatically generate a lifelike voiceover that you can use in your video. You can also adjust the speed, pitch, and volume of the voiceover to get the perfect sound. Yay! We have got our character as well as his voice now. An AI company that has developed a tool that allows you to create realistic avatars that can speak and lip sync to any text you provide. This is a great tool for creators who want to add a more personal touch to their videos, or for businesses that want to create engaging marketing content. To get started with DID, you'll need to create an account on their website. Once you've created an account, you can start by choosing an avatar from their library. DID has a variety of avatars to choose from, including male, female, and non-binary avatars of all ages. You can also choose to upload your own photo to create a custom avatar. Once you've chosen an avatar, you can start customizing it. You can also change the avatar's voice. Once you're happy with your avatar, you can start creating your video. Our avatar is ready. Now you can use it anywhere. Thanks for watching, and for more contents like this, please click the bell icon and don't forget the like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, adios amigos.